A London calling. Did you know that London is home to people from over 100 countries, speaking over 300 languages? It's a melting pot of cultures, history and modernity. London is calling, and we're here to answer. Join us as we unlock the secrets of this captivating city, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. This vlog is your ultimate guide to experiencing London like a local. We'll navigate bustling markets, uncover secret gardens and indulge in delicious food. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a fashionista or an art enthusiast, London has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your Oyster card and let's embark on an epic London adventure together.
Section 1. Iconic London, Big Ben and beyond. No trip to London is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks. Our first stop is the Houses of Parliament, home to the iconic Big Ben. This architectural masterpiece is a must-see for any first-time visitor. Snap a photo and soak in the grandeur of British history. Next, we'll hop on a red double-decker bus, a quintessential London experience. Enjoy a scenic ride past Trafalgar Square with its majestic fountains and Nelson's Column. Then it's time for a royal rendezvous at Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. Watch the changing of the guard ceremony for a taste of British pageantry. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the beautiful St. James's Park. Take a leisurely stroll through this tranquil oasis, admiring the resident pelicans and stunning views of Buckingham Palace. In the afternoon, let's cross the iconic Tower Bridge, a marvel of Victorian engineering. For the best views of the city, head to the top of the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building.
Section 2. Stepping back in time, history at every corner. London is a city steeped in history, and exploring its past is an essential part of the London experience. Our journey through time begins at the Tower of London, a historic fortress that has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. Explore its ancient walls, marvel at the crown jewels, and learn about its fascinating and sometimes gruesome past. Next, we'll travel back to Roman times at the London Mithraeum. This ancient temple, dedicated to the Roman god Mithras, offers a glimpse into London's Roman heritage. For a glimpse into the life of London's most famous playwright, visit Shakespeare's Globe, a faithful reconstruction of the original Elizabethan playhouse. Afterwards, let's immerse ourselves in the world of art and design at the Victoria and Albert Museum, V&A. From ancient artifacts to contemporary fashion, the VA's vast collection has something to inspire everyone. And of course, no trip to London is complete without a visit to the British Museum, home to world-renowned artifacts such as the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles.
Section 3. Hidden Gems and Local Secrets. Beyond the tourist trail, London is brimming with hidden gems and local secrets waiting to be discovered. Let's escape the crowds and explore the charming neighborhood of Notting Hill, famous for its colorful houses and vibrant Portobello Road Market. Next, we'll uncover a secret garden oasis in the heart of the city at the Barbican Conservatory. This hidden gem is home to exotic plants, a fish pond, and even a few resident terrapins. For a unique perspective of the city, take a stroll along Regent's Canal, a hidden waterway that winds its way through the heart of London. In the afternoon, let's experience the vibrant street art scene in Shoreditch. This trendy neighborhood is a canvas for local and international artists, with ever-changing murals adorning its walls. Finally, we'll end our day with a drink at a rooftop bar in South Bank, enjoying panoramic views of the city skyline as the sun sets.
London's culinary scene is as diverse as its population, offering everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to mouth-watering street food. We'll start our day at Borough Market, a foodie's paradise with over 100 stalls selling fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and delicious street food. Next, we'll indulge in a traditional British afternoon tea at the Ritz. This elegant affair includes delicate finger sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream and jam, and a selection of fine teas. For dinner, let's experience the flavors of India in Brick Lane, home to some of the best curry houses in London. Afterwards, we'll satisfy our sweet tooth at one of London's many dessert havens. From decadent chocolate cakes to innovative ice cream flavors, there's a treat for every taste bud. And of course, no trip to London is complete without a pint of beer at a traditional pub.
London is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from high street fashion to unique vintage finds. Our shopping spree begins at Oxford Street, London's busiest shopping street, home to department stores such as Selfridges and John Lewis. Next, we'll explore the quirky boutiques and independent shops of Covent Garden. From handmade jewelry to vintage clothing, you're sure to find something unique to take home. For designer labels and luxury goods, head to Bond Street, home to flagship stores of brands like Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. In the afternoon, let's lose ourselves in the labyrinthine aisles of Harrods, London's most famous department store. From designer fashion to exotic foods, Harrods is a shopper's dream. Finally, we'll end our shopping spree at Camden Market, a haven for alternative fashion, vintage clothing, and unique souvenirs.
London is a global hub for arts and culture with world-class museums, theatres and music venues. Our cultural journey begins at the National Gallery, home to masterpieces by European masters such as Van Gogh, Monet and Rembrandt. Next, we'll catch a show in London's iconic West End theatre district. From classic musicals to cutting-edge plays, there's a performance for every taste. For a different kind of musical experience, head to the Royal Albert Hall, a stunning concert hall that has hosted legendary musicians from around the world. In the afternoon, let's immerse ourselves in the world of art at the Tate Modern, Britain's national gallery of international modern and contemporary art. From Picasso to Warhol, the Tate Modern's collection is sure to inspire. Finally, we'll end our day with a concert at a live music venue in Camden Town, experiencing London's vibrant music scene.
Section 7. Green Escapes. Finding serenity in the city. Despite being a bustling metropolis, London is surprisingly green, with numerous parks and gardens offering a welcome escape from the urban jungle. Our first stop is Hyde Park, one of London's largest and most famous parks. Next, we'll escape to the tranquility of Regent's Park, home to beautiful gardens, a boating lake, and London Zoo. For a touch of royalty, visit Kensington Gardens, the former home of Princess Diana, and now a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. In the afternoon, let's explore the hidden gem of Richmond Park, a vast parkland area home to herds of deer and stunning views of the city. Finally, we'll end our day with a picnic in Greenwich Park, enjoying panoramic views of the city's skyline from the Royal Observatory.
Section 8. London, After Dark, the city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, London transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife, with something to offer everyone. We'll start our evening with a pre-dinner cocktail at one of London's many rooftop bars, enjoying stunning views of the city skyline as the lights twinkle below. Next, we'll catch a live music performance at a pub in Soho, experiencing London's eclectic music scene. For a taste of London's theatre scene, we'll catch a late-night show in Covent Garden, followed by a post-theatre dinner at a nearby restaurant. In the later hours, we'll explore the trendy bars and clubs of Shoreditch, where we can dance the night away to the latest tunes. From jazz clubs to comedy shows, London's nightlife has something for everyone, ensuring that the fun never stops.
Section 9. Navigating the city. Tips for effortless travel. Navigating London is easy with its comprehensive public transport system. The London Underground, also known as the Tube, is the fastest way to get around the city. Purchase an Oyster card for easy and affordable travel on the Tube, buses and trams. Black cabs are iconic but can be expensive. Consider using ride-hailing apps like Uber or Bolt for convenient and often cheaper rides. Walking is a great way to explore the city and discover hidden gems. London is a very walkable city, and you'll be surprised by what you find when you ditch the transport and explore on foot. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for directions. Londoners are generally friendly and helpful, and they'll be happy to point you in the right direction. With a little planning and these helpful tips, you'll be navigating London like a pro in no time. Conclusion. Until next time, London. London is more than just a city, it's an experience. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, its culinary delights to its vibrant culture, London has something for everyone. We've explored its historical past, wandered through its charming streets, and immersed ourselves in its energetic atmosphere. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, London never fails to captivate. We hope this vlog has inspired you to unlock your own London adventure. Until next time, Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of London alive in your heart.